Welcome. If you want to stay updated every time someone posts a new reel on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn on Reels notifications for any account, so you never miss the latest content from your favorite creators. This guide is fully updated, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, head to the search bar at the bottom and type in the username of the person whose reels you want to keep up with. Tap on their profile from the search results. Now that you're on their profile, look just below their bio. You'll see a button that says Following. Tap on the Following button. This will open up a menu with several options for how you interact with this account. In this menu, look for the notifications icon. It's a small bell at the top right corner. Tap on the bell icon to open the notifications settings for this profile. Here you'll see different types of notifications you can turn on, like posts, stories, IGTV, and of course, Reels. Find the option labeled Reels and toggle it on. When the switch turns blue, you're all set. From now on, Instagram will send you a notification every time this account uploads a new reel. If you ever want to turn off these notifications, just repeat these steps and toggle the Reels option off. This way, you're always in control of what you see and when you see it. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can make sure you never miss out on the latest reels from your favorite accounts. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and enjoy discovering new reels.